Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to clean install Windows 11 on unsupported PCs and without bloatware. That is, we will install Windows 11 afresh on your device, while significantly minimizing the unnecessary apps and extra clutter that Microsoft often adds by default. Let's begin. So here, we have a Windows 10 PC who want to upgrade to Windows 11 with minimal bloatware. From the Settings app, we see that this PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirement to run Windows 11. Using the PC Health Check app, we see why. The PC doesn't have TPM 2.0. So let's go ahead and install Windows 11 on it anyways, and without bloatware. First, you need to download Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft website. Open your web browser and search for Windows 11 ISO x64. Open the Microsoft website link. Now, scroll down to the Windows 11 ISO section. Click on the drop-down and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO and confirm. Choose your desired Windows language and confirm. And then click on Download to start the download. The file is about 8 GB. Let's wait for it to finish downloading. While the ISO file is downloading, let's go ahead and download the Rufus utility. Open another tab on your web browser and search for Rufus. Click the rufus.ie link to open the Rufus website. Scroll down the page to the download section. Click on the topmost version, which will be standard and for Windows x64. This will download the Rufus tool. Rufus has downloaded, and the Windows 11 ISO file has also finished downloading. Next, you need to create a bootable USB stick using Rufus. Insert a USB drive into your PC. The drive should be at least 8 GB. Mine is plugged in already. Now, navigate to the folder containing Rufus. Double-click on the Rufus tool to launch it. In the device feed, select your USB drive from the drop-down. Under boot selection, choose disk or ISO image. Then click Select to browse to your downloaded Windows 11 ISO file and select it. The image option should automatically be set to standard Windows installation. Now, you'll see options for partition scheme and target system. If you are installing on a modern PC, choose GPT and UEFI. Else, you can select MBR and BIOS for older PCs. You need to confirm which one the target PC uses. You can determine this from the System Information window on the target PC. Simply check the BIOS mode. Mine is UEFI, so I will select GPT and UEFI here. You can leave the rest of the settings as default. Then click the Start button. Rufus will then present the Windows User Experience pop-up. This is where you customize your ISO. Rufus gives you several options to customize your Windows installation. Simply select those that align with your installation goals. Our goal in this demo is to install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC without bloatware. To install Windows 11 on unsupported PC, check the first option. This says remove requirement for 4 GB RAM, secure boot and TPM 2.0. To minimize bloatware and enhance your privacy, select these two options: disable data collection and QoL improvement, that's quality of life improvement. The QoL improvement option is the magic deep bloat setting introduced in Rufus version 4.14. It tells Windows Setup to skip installing forced apps like Teams, Copilot, OneDrive and Outlook. It also disables fast startup. You can add other customizations you want, such as using local accounts and so on. Then click OK to confirm your choices. Rufus will warn you that your USB drive will be wiped. Simply click OK to begin the process. Wait for the process to complete. And now you have a bootable USB stick. Finally, you use the bootable USB stick to install Windows 11. To do this, you simply restart the PC and boot from the USB stick. At this stage, be sure to know the BIOS key for your PC, as you need it to enter the BIOS menu. You can Google this if unsure. Additionally, a clean install, which is what we are doing in this demo, will wipe your PC and give you a brand new Windows 11 PC. So, be sure to back up your data if needed before performing one. Now, insert your USB stick into the target Windows 10 PC and restart it. While restarting, repeatedly press the BIOS key to enter the BIOS menu. In BIOS menu, use the arrow key to navigate and select the USB drive. Then press enter. Now, the Windows 11 installation process begins. From this stage, simply follow the setup and choose your desired installation options accordingly. Now, you need to specify where to install Windows. You should select your system drive. In this demo, there are two drives. The system drive, denoted by disk 0 with 4 partitions, and the USB drive, denoted by disk 1 with 2 partitions. To perform a clean install, you need to delete all the system drive partitions. So, simply select each system partition and click delete. Eventually, you have a disk 0 unallocated space whose size equals your system drive capacity. Select this and click next. Now it's ready to install Windows 11. Review your installation settings, and if happy with this, click install to start the installation. Let the installation run. It may take a while to complete. We'll come back once it's done. Now you need to configure your out-of-box experience. Again, select the options that align with your setup goal. And the Windows 11 setup has completed. And that's how you use Rufus to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware without bloatware. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more.